All right, the City of Baltimore will pay $6.4 million to the family of Freddie Gray. Gray was the man who died while in police custody this past April. He suffered a severe spinal cord injury while in a police transport van. 6 officers are now charged in his death. The deal settles all civil lawsuits in this case, but there still, of course, is the criminal case. Let's bring in our legal guys, Avery Freeman, a civil rights attorney and law professor in Cleveland. Good to see you. And Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense attorney and law professor, joining us from Las Vegas. Good to see you as well. Wait a minute. So, Richard, I mean, the jurors, the potential jury pool is privy to all of this right now. So they are knowledgeable of this settlement. How would this not be influential if they are selected for this criminal case?
We have to be real, Fred. We have to be real. We try to be real every week here. Everybody in the city of Baltimore knows that the city just admitted guilt and agreed to pay $6.4 million before a summons and complaint was even served. It's unheard of to sue a city and get a settlement before you even file litigation papers. What happens, Fred, if during the course of the criminal trial we learn, and I don't know this to be true, but what happens if we learn Freddie Gray had a history of injuring himself to get personal injury awards? And what if we learn by the person inside the truck with him that Freddie was intentionally hurting himself? What if that comes out in the criminal trial and the city has paid $6.4 million in a civil wrongful death case for an action that was not foreseeable? This is outrageous, Fred. It's beyond belief.
So, Avery, how do you argue against Richard here?
It's beyond belief.
Well, first of all, the agreement prohibits the introduction of any evidence related to the settlement. It prohibits it. It's part of the agreement. Secondly, the prejudice that would result if someone tried to get it in would frankly poison the jury pool. It is impermissible to get in, and frankly, it has nothing to do with the criminal conduct in this case. So you argue both prejudicial and there's an agreement it shouldn't get in. It has no place in the criminal case at all.
Wow. Okay, we're going to leave it there. We know this is just the beginning, however.
$6 million. Yeah, they've acknowledged they were wrong, Fred. That's the message. Everybody in Baltimore knows this.
Okay, well, we are going to find out just how influential when they do select from that jury pool. All right, thanks so much, Avery. Richard, always good to see you. Thanks so much. Always too short, I tell you. All right.